This is just beyond my imagination that so many astonishing products gets released around the same time recently, and the stage belongs to the HUAWEI XT tri-fold phone at this moment. Right now, I'm standing at the gate of Huawei store, ready to get my hands on that particular phone. If you're also excited like us, please sub to our channel and give us a like for this possibly very first video of the Huawei phone here. So enough talking, let's go. Before this, there was so much hype about this phone, not only just about this first market-ready tri-fold form factor, but also how it proves that Huawei has the ability to lead industry. Right at this point, there's already over 4 million people put their names on the waiting list. In about 10 days, we might be able to get one to do a proper review, so make sure you don't miss it. So why people love this phone so much? One of the reasons is the overall design of it. There are two colors, let's call them the red and black for now. The frames are golden for both variants with pure red and black vegan leather to cover the body. There are some unique patterns around the camera modules and hinges. The golden plate on top of one back panel is a nice touch. Overall, the phone looks and feels very premium. Let us know what you think about the design in the comment section. It says the phone is only 3.6mm thin when unfolded, 6.4 inches one screen, 7.9 inches dual screen, 10.2 inches in its full glory. The screen is a 3K level, 90Hz refresh rate. The ratio when fully unfolded is 16:11, very close to a regular tablet. It weighs 298 grams, not light, but also not as heavy as we imagined. With that out of the way, now let's look at the hinges and screens. Thanks to the two hinges in the screen, there are a lot of situations you can benefit from this 10.2 inches screen. For example, you can have a full view of a PPT, look at the stocks in a split view, have a less black bezels up and down. You can split the windows into whatever size you want. So it really takes a step forward than the regular foldables. The thing is, we still need to see how everything will be optimized for such a specific view in the long run. To make the experience better, there are a phone case in the package. It has a stand built into it. It can rotate 270 degrees, so the phone can stand horizontally or vertically. And to take it even further, there's a foldable keyboard with a trackpad release. When unfolded, it is just as wide as the phone. It claims that there were a lot of difficulties when dealing with the hinges because they need to work simultaneously to make sure the overall experience is smooth. And the screen has to be strong and flexible enough to withstand the actions. It says there's a 322 square centimeters of UTG glass on top, so it is very durable to be used for a long time. For more info and in-depth reviews, let's leave it to the actual review later. For the cameras, it is a combo of 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 8 megapixel front-facing camera. This is still Huawei's flagship level camera setup, and for the real performance, let's wait until we do the real review. For such a thin phone, it managed to cramp a 5600 mAh battery combo into it, and from the rendering, we can see that there are 3 batteries inside, and it is 1.9mm thin. We still don't know what chip is inside or how it performs in real life. We do know that there's only one RAM option, which is 16 gigs, and 256, 512, and 1TB storage to choose from. Now, the prices. It is actually not as high as we expected, but still more expensive than the foldables right now. Alright, this is a quick view of the HUAWEI XT tri-fold phone. It is the first time that we see a market-ready product in this form factor, and overall, it still has that luxurious look and outstanding user experience. So we are really looking forward to do a review for it. For this first-hand view, we literally rushed to the store to do it for you guys. If you want to see more of it, make sure you sub to our channel and click that like button. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.